Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another workout video by the pool. Make sure you grab your sunblock, put the SPF on before getting into any pool because it is hot here in Florida and I'm so excited to bring you this workout. Let's get started. So this is how you work out by the pool. You just lay down and you close your eyes. Oops. I don't ever recommend doing this, just kidding. All right, first move. We can either have our legs straight or we can have them bent. I prefer mine bent. Hands behind the head. Gaze straight at your toes. We're coming back for a sit-up. Inhale, exhale, contracting the abs. We're really prioritizing form here, okay? We're not focusing on the speed. You almost want to tuck your chin in a little bit. Now as I'm doing it, I'm feeling that tension there. Oh, all right, that was 10. We are doing the Yuli pull crunch. Craziest girl ever. Coming back and coming back up. Guess how many we're doing? 8 to 10. But if you want, you can go to failure. We'll get in the pool. I guess so. Yeah. Oh, I'm not allowed to cuss. Now we're getting into the pool. It is so nice and refreshing in here. I love it, especially for tanning. It's good to have water on your skin. But we are going to do some push-ups. I'm going to put my knees down. I feel like I'm in an aerobics class in Punta Cana with my family or something right now. And we're just going down and up. Inhale, exhale. Like I said, slow and controlled. My main point of doing this is to practice for my chaturangas in yoga. And it's good for your back as well and flexibility. We're doing till failure. If you're more experienced and you're looking for a bigger burn, I'm coming up. And what I'm doing is I'm tilting my body forward with my toes and I'm coming down. My face is about to touch the water, but I'm not letting it. I'm gonna for 8 of those. Woo. Oh my God. I almost got the mic wet, sorry. We have a dog in the loose in the background. We're really feeling the vibes in Florida. Now I'm just trying to have some fun as the last move. So I'm going to dribble the basketball around my pool, just play around. Ooh. I was never a sportsy kind of girl in high school, so I was actually a cheerleader. So this is actually really fun for me because I feel like this is what guys do when they're bored. See guys, working out by the pool can be super fun for you if you just make it so. I think we shouldn't use the excuse of, oh, I don't have time today, or you're relaxing. It can be really, really fun for you, especially reconnecting with your inner child, like doing sports and little moves in the pool. Maybe go under. Thank you so much for coming to watch my channel. I love that I get to do this with you. And this was a pool workout that I'll never forget. I hope you subscribe.